Also worked a lot with cities, counties, schools. I worked with them on energy efficiency, trained energy managers for commercial facilities. So kind of got a lot of different perspectives, so I want you to feel free to ask even questions that might seem outside the scope of what we're going to be talking about here. Okay, next slide, please. So just very briefly, Renata was talking about this plan. So the Energy Action Plan folks that put this together, Sierra Building Council, I think primarily was who was involved. They said, we have to establish where we're starting in order to see where we need to go. So they did what's called a baseline. Where are we right now with respect to our energy use compared to 2005? So they went back 12 years to see how things have changed in the last 12 years with residential, non-residential, municipal, public lighting. But really what we're going to be focusing on are the big guys here, and mostly residential, because that's you folks, which is a large part of the natural gas use. There's really not much propane in the city. It's all natural gas from PG&E. And then electricity was pretty huge as well. And basically over the last 12 years, we've dropped electricity use by about 2%, 8% natural gas. Commercial buildings dramatically increased the use of natural gas, but dropped electricity a little bit. The municipal folks, the city folks, who aren't here because they already know what they're doing, obviously, right? They dropped 31 and 20% electricity and gas. But overall, we've reduced electricity in the last 12 years by 3% and increased gas by 4%. Here's our goals for 2035, 15 years from now. We want to drop electricity 36, gas by 29, compared to the last 12 years over the next 15 years. So you kind of wrap your head around the goal. It's big. But it's totally achievable, and it makes a lot of sense for people. And next slide, please.